Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Last time I showed you how I organized part of my pantry. So this time I wanted to show you guys how I organized the other side. So let me show you what we did last time. So last time I had a lot of junk. So if you guys are interested in seeing that quick video, make sure to look to the description box below and you'll find the link to the other video. But this is how it ended up. Now this side is a little messy and it's just very unorganized, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. I don't know if I'll put them all the way up there. I don't know. I still have like no clue what I'm gonna do with those, but I still have another box of the nice 9-piece pop container set, and I also bought this like to put like the bread or any like tortilla chips that I have. So if you guys are interested, make sure to keep on watching. organizing videos because I have other areas that I can organize and I can show you guys what works for me. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.